Few ideas have shaped the modern world as much as communism. Globally, the ideology receives mixed feelings, revered as true freedom by some and seen as a threat to freedom by others. Communism has been called everything from a blueprint for equality to a dangerous utopia. But where did it come from? And how did it spread across the globe? Communism's roots go back to the 19th century. During the rise of the Industrial Revolution, factories were booming, but so was poverty. In 1848, two German philosophers, Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, wrote the Communist Manifesto. They argued that history is a struggle between classes, the rich, who owns the means of production, and the workers, who sell their labor. The big idea? Abolish private property, share resources collectively, and create a classless society where everyone works for the common good. Marx's ideas stayed mostly on paper until 1917, when the Russian Revolution brought them to life. Led by Vladimir Lenin, the Bolsheviks overthrew the Russian monarchy and created the world's first communist state, the Soviet Union. This event sent shockwaves around the world. Throughout the 20th century, communist revolutions popped up across Eastern Europe, in China under Mao Zedong, and in Cuba under Fidel Castro. Communism soon became one half of a global power struggle, the Cold War. On one side, the United States and its allies defending capitalism and democracy. On the other side, the Soviet Union and communist movements around the world. This rivalry led to a proxy war in Korea, Vietnam, and Afghanistan, and nearly brought the world to a nuclear disaster during the Cuban Missile Crisis. By the 1980s, communism faced major challenges: economic stagnation, growing unrest, and demand for freedom. In 1989, the Berlin Wall fell, and within 2 years the Soviet Union collapsed. Many saw this as the end of communism. But it doesn't stop there. Today, communism still exists in China, Cuba, Vietnam, Laos, and North Korea, but in different forms. China, for example, has a mixed communism with market-driven capitalism, becoming one of the world's largest economies. Wherever you see communism as a dream, or equality, or a cautionary tale, it continues to shape global politics and inspire debate.